Hi there, Brian here. This is an information video regarding my invitation to a personal healing, personal transformation, personal reconciliation workshop through breathwork exercises, a breathwork practice. So, for a long time, I never considered myself as one with trauma experienced in my life until I went through a huge emotional challenge in 2017 when I started to pursue personal healing, personal growth, personal development, and I realized and learned that 95% of chronic diseases is caused by stress. It could be trauma as well. Look at us in the Philippines now, like the amount of people, number of people with chronic diseases like diabetes, people with having dialysis. It's so much going on compared to the time when I left 2008. During that time, I don't even hear depression during that time in the Philippines. Because look at us, Filipinos, we are a very happy country, right? We have all the forms of entertainment. We are so talented, and yet a lot of people are sick. A lot of people are experiencing hardship, whether it's physical, mental, or emotional, even financial. So, what I believe now is our body, our experiences in our relationship, in our finances, at home, is a manifestation of what's really going on inside of us. What's going on in our mind, what's happening in our nervous system. Our nervous system is like wirings in the house. Yes? And when we have triggers, this is the triggers, it's called the fight or flight when you become quite emotional and you try to fight or you try to run away. This is like the fire alarm in the electrical system in our house. This is the fight or flight. This is the sympathetic in the nervous system. So when you have that every single day, it is detrimental to our health. It is detrimental to our health. And in our country, in the Philippines, we're not so used. We don't have these tools. Like seeing a psychologist or a psychiatrist is like, ano ba yan? Hindi uso yan, di ba? We're a happy country. We are a happy country. And we try to ignore the fact that after 3 years of really very challenging days and weeks and months. People are still walking around with PTSD. People are walking around with trauma that has never healed. And that's why we still have triggers. And that add-ons, if you have experiences in the past, in your growing up years, it adds up. And there's so much going on in the world right now. Like here in Sydney, like sudden deaths happening. So we really have to heal. We have to look after ourselves. We have to look after our nervous system. So one way you can do this is through breath work. And on the workshop, I will also teach you how to do tapping that you can do to heal yourself. So this is my invitation to you. If you are constantly stressed, because stress is a very strong contributor to chronic diseases. According to the data, 95% of chronic disease is caused by stress. And who knows that stress is caused by trauma. So if you're experiencing persistent anxiety or feeling of being on the edge, like you get triggered very easily, or you have difficulty of forming bonds or good relationship or trust with other people, whether it's your loved one, your children, your parents, or friends, or in the community, or you are procrastinating on doing things that you are supposed to do. I'm working on this. And also, you have difficulty in concentrating and focusing on a task or work or studies. Or if you have a strong reactions of being easily triggered on certain situations, even if it's a small thing. This one happens in our family. Yeah. really the triggers, very easily get angry, easily get sad. These are signs of trauma. And it could be a physical symptoms of like headache, fatigue, vertigo, or any tensions in the body with tensions in the body without clear cause, and you just had it, or you have negative self-talk or feeling like you're being detached from the world around you. And if you are like you're avoiding, if you're avoiding places, avoiding things, avoiding tasks or activities that might remind you of the past experiences, most likely or highly likely you have trauma. And this workshop is not only about trauma, this is about rediscovering your power, your ability to heal within yourself. Because healing is free. Healing is free. You can heal yourself without medication. You can heal your anxiety. You can heal your depression. You can heal. Your body is an amazing healing machine. We just haven't given our body the right environment to heal. So we have to clear the rivers, the streams in our nervous system so it's flowing constantly so we can experience a loving, compassionate, fruitful, abundant life, relationships and finances and good health. So that's my invitation. So at the session, it's going to go for about 2 hours. I need you to find a place where you cannot be disturbed. You're safe as well. Okay. And I need you to have headsets, and I need you to have blanket in case it gets cold because you'll be sweating. This is like a workout. This is a workout for your internal organs, your inside of you. It will involve everything in your body. Yeah, you will sweat a lot and you will feel many different sensations that your body will do to recalibrate itself. Okay, so if you have a mask, wear a mask just to block the light. And because you have headsets, it's very important that you have headset to have a deep and impactful experience, because this audio that I'm going to share, it's designed to really get into your nervous system, to reset the nervous system. And if you have a mat, use a mat, and you have a pillow on your under your head, do that. So make sure you're safe and you can do this safe. And make sure you allot the 2 hours that you will not be disturbed. And let your family know that you're doing this. And some of this session, we may or may not, you may need to scream like really hard to release during this session. So I suggest you'd have another pillow beside you. So when it's time to scream, you grab the pillow, put it over your face. So you don't disturb the neighbors or you don't give him a shock what's happening. Okay? So that this is my invitation for all of you. Oh, very important to download Zoom on your phone or on your computer, because we will need a Zoom. You will need the Zoom account so you can adjust the settings, because we need the settings adjust so you have a stereo sound. Otherwise, it's muffled. Okay, sorry, I burped. So we need that one. So we need a place where you can lay down safe and you cannot be disturbed. You have your headsets, optional eye mask, a pillow. You can also, if you get uncomfortable laying down flat, you may need to place a pillow, two pillows underneath your knees so that your back is comfortable. Okay, and a blanket to feel safe. Okay, so that's my invitation for all of you. Let me know if you want to come, and you have to be on time, because if the session has started, you cannot join anymore. Okay, because it's very important we do it at the same time. I cannot be repeating the instructions. Okay, so we'll see you there. Thank you very much. Bye bye.